I hate business cards. God, I hate business cards. So some of you guys are going to be like, aha, I caught you. You've seen me in videos using business cards. I talk about how to hand them out, when to hand them out. Don't use them at all. I hate them. You shouldn't even own them. I don't even own a business card right now. There's not a business card with my name on it that I have in my pocket, my wallet, my briefcase, or even on my desk. I'm looking across the room at my desk right now. There's no business cards. There's a reason why I hate them. And I know we can't go that strong in the title of this email and say, so I think we say something like why I think business cards suck. It's mostly because it makes most of you guys and me lazy. Here's my card, here's my card. Makes you feel important, makes you feel like you did something already because you handed out a card. But handing out a business card doesn't get you business. I mean, maybe a small percentage of the time. All right, guys, I'm going to get the comments and the hate mail now and the hate speech of how one of the ageless, timeless business practices should not be thrown away. Well, first of all, we've got so many digital things now. I mean, I can just pass my contact info with the phone. Why do I need a business card? I can do it through email. I can do it through airdropping. I can do it through so many techniques that I don't need it on paper that they're going to throw away anyway. So to me, if I'm going to use a business card, and I do teach some stylists how to use business cards in a business tactic. What's the purpose of a business card? What's the purpose of our business? To get people to want to use our product or service so that we can make money, support our family, our lifestyle, things like that, right? So if I'm going to use a business card, I watched a guy do this one time. Let me grab a piece of paper here. I watched a guy do this one time, and he takes this business card and he pulls a business card out and he starts to give it, and then he holds it back and he holds it close to his chest. Because when you're talking to somebody, if you hold something here, they won't invade your space and grab it from you, but you command their attention. Because if you start to hand it like this, they go to grab it. But if you go to tease them a little bit, come on, it can be a little fun, you know. Oh, let me see, I have a business card. And you pull it out and you go to hand it and you pull it back. Almost like you had an afterthought, like, oh, I wanted to tell you something. Then from here, tell them everything you want to tell them about your business. I'm a stylist. I'd love to do your hair. I've noticed your hair from across the room. It's really cool. I like the layers, I like the color, I like the highlights. I like whatever. I'm not going to go into that right now, but compliment their hair, because if you insult their hair, they will defend themselves and be mad at you. If you compliment their hair, they will insult their own hair for you. Because when you tell somebody you love something, they will say, oh my God, I need my roots done. It looks terrible today. I didn't do it today. I should have done my hair better. I know you're a hairdresser. So let them do the insulting, and then you can solve all those problems they just told you. But while you're holding the card here, they listen to everything you say because they think you're getting ready to give them the card. They don't want to be looking around or texting when you go like that and they miss the handoff because they'll be embarrassed. So use the card as a tool, and then I go even further and I say, you know what? Write your, I'll put it upside down. I go, write your name and your cell phone on the back of that card, and I'll let you keep the card, but I'm going to take a picture of the back of it so I'll have your information, and I'll have my people, it might be me, I might do the calling, but I'll have my receptionist, I'll have my friend, my assistant, whatever makes you feel comfortable saying. I'll have my salon coordinator give you a call later and schedule that appointment we just talked about. So by holding it here, it just becomes a prop, it becomes a tool, and then you hand it to them upside down and get the name and number, even more powerful. Now you're making the business happen instead of hoping it happens. Call them, make an appointment. It's so much more powerful.
Hey, if you enjoyed this video, check out our playlist.